और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पर बोले सीडीएस अनिल चौहान। इस वक्त एक और सबसे बड़ी खबर का रुख कर रहे हैं, जहां भारत एटमी धमकी को बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगा। नुकसान से ज्यादा परिणाम अहम। हमारे ड्रोन पाकिस्तान से बेहतर। हम युद्ध के परिणाम को समझते हैं। आतंकवाद पर एक्शन ले पाकिस्तान।
The human element of warfare that gets reduced. So what's going to happen is, in recorded history, always there was combat between always two human beings. That's what has happened. So there could be, you could be better armed, you could be with the sword, I could be with the lance, you could be with the helmet, I could be with the shield, you could be on a charger, I could be on an elephant. But essentially, the war was between two human beings. But today we are at a cusp when war could be between human beings and machines. And tomorrow, it could be between machines and machines. And machines that are autonomous, intelligent, and take decisions. The fourth kind of a trend, which I call as data-centric warfare, that is because of a large amount of advances in technologies, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, large language models, edge computing, etc. So this is going to large amount of data and their data analytics. So what we are going to happen is, when we said, you know, in the second generation warfare, there was net-centric warfare, in which we relied on information superiority over the enemy.